Hi, in front of me is Samsung Galaxy S21 Plus, and today I would like to show you how you can open apps in pop-up view on this device. Start by opening any apps like Gallery, YouTube and Messages. Then click on the button with 3 lines and tap on the icon of an app. Select Opening pop-up view. So this is the first one, second one, and third one. Now to see all of them, tap on the bubbles. As you can see, now I can use all of my apps at the same time. If you want to close any of these windows, just click on this line and select the X icon. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!